What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today is Wednesday, December 9th. And today, guys, I just want to go over the moves that I made earlier in the week. And also just want to say that I did hit my $50,000 goal by the end of this year. Hopefully, when the year ends, I will still be above that mark. So let's get started. The stock today started off at a decent amount, and it did start falling off, especially the techs stock. So the Dow is down 0.35%, Nasdaq down 1.94%, S&P is down 0.79%. I'm heavily invested in Apple and Microsoft, so they were down 2.36%, and Microsoft is down 1.84%. So this is why my portfolio is a little bit down. So it is down 1.61%, $821 loss. After hours, it did go up about 19 bucks. We check the week out, I'm down $198. The month, I'm up $12,359. 3 month, I'm up $10,149. The 1 year, $55.40. And of all time, I'm up $4,166. So what I did do, guys, I did do a video on Sunday just saying what I planned on doing. I did want to buy some more dividend stocks, so that's what I did. I did end up purchasing 100 more shares of at&t at an average cost of $28.95. Good thing I did buy that stock. I was able to get it at a decent price. So I bought 100 shares at $29.72. Today the stock did go up a decent amount. at&t usually does not move that often, but just in the week it did go up 8.37%, and for the total return I have at 8.7%. We check the month out, it's up 10%, 3 months 7%, 1 year it's still down 17% here. So it's still definitely room to grow. There was some news that did come out with at&t. So they are still suspected to possibly still go up, but I think it'll stay flat around this number for a while, if not go down just a little bit. And I also did buy another dividend stock. It is Realty Income. Realty Income right now at the moment has not been the best for me, but I'm only down $185, 1.5%. I did end up getting a dividend from them at $23.40, so that's always a good thing to happen. So I did buy 100 shares at $61.01, so right now it is at $60.50. So I do plan it to float around this price in between the $58 to $62 range. You check the week out, they're down 0.5%. The month they're down 4%, so they definitely can get into the $62, $63 range. The 3 month they're down 6.35%, and the 1 year they're still down 20%. So definitely a lot of room to grow. If you check the 5-year out from 2018 and up, they've been on a decent run, and I don't see why that should change anytime soon. Last thing I did buy, I did talk to you guys about Rocket Companies. I did end up buying 200 more shares. This might be a little bit more money than I would want to invest in this company. It is about 10% of my portfolio at $10,625, but I did get it at a decent price. I wish it was a little bit lower if I would have bought at different times, but $20.14 is my average cost. I've only invested in this company for about a week, so I am at 5.3%, $534. So can't complain about that. I still will hold on to the stock. I still believe it can definitely get up to the $24 to $25 range, and then if it does get into that range, I probably will end up selling the stock and then possibly buying back in if it does drop back down. And I did do some call options earlier today, just when the stock was up. So luckily I bought it when it was up. I do have one call on Apple at a $128 strike price. I did earn $44 for this. I don't plan on Apple reaching $128 by the end of this week, so I'm pretty sure that'll be money in the bank. Intel, I also did a $52 call. Intel has been up and down. This is probably one of my surprise stocks. I'm up about 7 or 8% with Intel already, just owning 100 shares. But I did get a $9 premium to do that option call. I do have a Microsoft as well at $22. I don't see Microsoft getting to 225 anytime soon in the next week, so I do call this money in the bank as well. I did do 5 contracts with Rocket Mortgage. I did do this and it did shoot up a little bit. Even though I am negative on the total return at the moment, I still don't see Rocket Mortgage going up to $23 by Friday. And if for some reason it does, I will definitely take that profit and sell it at $23 easy. But I did end up earning $45 on this option. T-Mobile, I did do this call. I definitely could have earned a lot more money. I kind of did it early in the day just to get it out of the way. I got an average of $5 per share, which is $15. It shot all the way up to a premium of $37. Then it fell off and started floating around $8 to $9. So even though I definitely could have got more money out of this, I still am iffy if at&t is going to get up to $32. But if it does, I may buy this back out, or I would let it go and then I would sell some puts. And the last one I did do Realty Income as well. So I did do a strike price at $62.50. I did earn a pretty good premium, but this does not expire until December 18th. So I did get $105 premium for this. I don't see Realty Income getting to $62.50. If it does, I probably would just let it sell out and then buy back in, or sell a put as well. So total premiums that I made today was about $240. Granted that Realty Income will not expire until next week. I did take one chance on Inno here. So this is a pharmaceutical company that is doing the COVID-19 vaccine trials. They got pushed back because they had some type of staging that they didn't do right, and they had to push it back about a month and a half. So they are a little bit behind from Pfizer from getting any type of vaccines. But if you check out the week, they're down 7%. The month, they're up 24%. But if you check out the 3-month, they were all the way up to $18. And then when they got the news that they were going to be on hold, it dropped all the way down to $11, all the way down to about $8.50. I do see them floating back around to the $13, $14 range. They were there about a month ago. So if they get to the 13 or above, I probably would end up just selling this, even though I do see possibly a potential of the stock shooting up a decent amount, because once the vaccines gets released and they get their trials all done, then I do predict them to go up dramatically. But if for some reason they had a negative effect, the stock could also go down. So I do have a decent amount of money into them, about 5% of my stock. But I'm confident that I can get up to the $13 range with this stock probably within the next month. So that is all the moves that I really did today, guys. I am keeping an eye on a couple other stocks, but for the most part, I will probably ride this week out. Check out how the next week looks. I will be doing a small deposit, hopefully by the end of next week. But that is all for today, guys. Please definitely hit the like and comment below. Subscribe. I did hit my $50,000 goal, so hopefully next year I will get to 75, if not 100. Any questions, definitely comment below. Thank you guys. Have a good day.